Hey everyone, I've got an exciting tip for all you nail enthusiasts out there. Today, we're going to explore the fastest way to grow your nails in just 3 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, let's give your nails a good cleaning. Don't worry about trimming them, though we want to keep that length as it is. Next, we're going to provide some much-needed nourishment using a high-quality oil or cream. Personally, I prefer using a cream that contains biotin and keratin. These ingredients help strengthen and grow your nails while also making them look healthier and shinier. Now, it's time for the star of the show, clear nail wraps. These are my go-to lifesavers when I need an instant manicure or pedicure. They come in a variety of sizes, so be sure to choose the one that best fits your nails. Once you have the right size, gently peel off one of the stickers and place it on your nail. Make sure it's stuck down firmly and smoothly. Finally, give your cuticles a little TLC by pushing them back gently with a cuticle stick while massaging some more oil onto them. This helps keep them healthy and lets your nails grow faster without any issues. And there you have it in just 3 days with this simple routine. You can see a noticeable difference in how fast your nails grow. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this tips helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time, stay beautiful with strong nails.